Hey guys, so check out this new paddleboard anchor that I got. So this is gonna work for paddleboards, for kayaks, small craft like this. It's 3.5 pounds. This is perfect. So if you are by yourself and you wanna go out and the winds are a little higher than you want them to be, but you wanna stay in one place, or maybe you're kayaking and you wanna get out of your kayak and do some wade fishing or whatever, this is gonna make sure your kayak or your paddleboard don't float away. So it is 3.5 pounds, which is really all you need for something of this size. It has the clamp here. You just hook it on your little O-rings, whichever side you want it on. It has plenty of rope and a buoy here. So, if it does happen to fall off, you drop it, you're going to be able to find it. And so I like to keep mine just kind of back here at the end, hooked onto the last one. When I get out in the middle, I'm just going to drop it down. I'm going to lay back and get myself a suntan and enjoy the day. So these are really great. Definitely recommend them if you're going to be out on the water.